Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Roborock Saros 10R and the Dreame X50 Ultra. These two high-end robot vacuum cleaners bring some serious innovation to the table, making cleaning more efficient and hands-free than ever. The Roborock Saros 10R stands out with its ultra-slim 7.98cm design that can slip under furniture, an advanced Starsight autonomous system for navigation, and the unique AdaptiLift chassis that helps it climb thresholds and deep pile carpets. On the other hand, the Dreame X50 Ultra counters with the highest suction power in any robot vacuum to date at 20,000 pascals. An intelligent Pro Leap climbing system that handles thresholds up to 6 centimeters, and an advanced VersaLift sensor that retracts for superior obstacle navigation. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robot vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start with design and features. The Roborock Saros 10R and the Dreame X50 Ultra may both be premium robot vacuums, but they take different approaches in their builds. The Saros 10R is impressively compact, measuring just 7.98 centimeters in height, making it one of the slimmest high-end robot vacuums available. This allows it to reach under low-profile furniture effortlessly. On the other hand, the Dreame X50 Ultra is slightly taller at 8.9 centimeters, but it compensates with the VersaLift sensor, which retracts for improved maneuverability under obstacles. Both robots come with self-cleaning and self-emptying docks, but the Dreame X50 Ultra has a larger dust bag, capable of lasting up to 100 days before needing replacement. The Saros 10R's multifunctional dock 4.0 also uses 80 degrees Celsius water for mop washing and 55 degrees Celsius air for drying, while the X50 Ultra has similar hot water cleaning but comes with an included detergent bottle. When it comes to the vacuum performance, both models boast impressive suction power, but the Dreame X50 Ultra takes it to another level with a staggering 20,000 pascals of suction, whereas the Roborock Saros 10R offers 19,000 pascals. In real-world use, both vacuums excel at lifting dirt from carpets and hard floors, but in side-by-side tests, the Dreame X50 Ultra's extra power allowed it to deep clean carpets slightly better. The Saros 10R performs exceptionally well too, especially with its Duo Divide brush minimizing hair tangles and its FlexiArm side brush reaching into corners. But the X50 Ultra's dual rotating brushes and automatic edge cleaning mode make it slightly better at picking up dirt along baseboards. Moving on to mopping performance, both vacuums use dual microfiber mop pads that spin to scrub away stains. The Roborock Saros 10R has automatic mop lifting by 12 mm to avoid wetting carpets, while the Dreame X50 Ultra lifts its mop pads by 10.5 mm but also allows them to be completely detached at the dock when vacuuming carpets. When it comes to actual stain removal, the Dreame X50 Ultra's hot water and detergent cleaning system gives it a slight edge, especially for tough stains like dried-on coffee and red wine. That said, the Saros 10R does an excellent job with its advanced dirt detection and remopping settings, making it an effective daily maintenance cleaner. Now let's talk about navigation and obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Saros 10R uses Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 with 3D TOF sensors for a structured view of its surroundings, allowing it to map efficiently. While it avoids obstacles well, it doesn't have a full 360-degree view like the Dreame X50 Ultra, which uses a combination of AI-powered cameras and the retractable VersaLift DTOF sensor to get a better understanding of its environment. Both vacuums are excellent at avoiding common hazards like cables, shoes, and pet messes. But the Dreame X50 Ultra's AI-powered camera has been specifically designed to recognize and navigate around over 200 common obstacles. When it comes to climbing, the Dreame X50 Ultra has a clear advantage with its Pro Leap system, allowing it to scale thresholds of up to 6 centimeters, whereas the Saros 10R's AdaptiLift chassis can only handle 2 to 4 centimeters and sometimes requires manual adjustments in the app to properly engage. Battery life and noise levels also play a big role in the user experience. The Roborock Saros 10R offers up to 180 minutes of cleaning time, while the Dreame X50 Ultra extends this to 220 minutes on lower power modes. But battery life is less of an issue in real-world use, as both vacuums can return to their docks, recharge, and resume cleaning. In terms of noise, the Saros 10R runs at around 58.6 decibels, which is already quiet, but the Dreame X50 Ultra is even quieter at 57.7 decibels, despite its significantly higher suction power. As for my final verdict, both the Roborock Saros 10R and Dreame X50 Ultra are exceptional high-end robot vacuums, but they cater to slightly different users. If you need a vacuum that can slip under the lowest furniture, navigate efficiently, and provide a great balance between vacuuming and mopping, the Roborock Saros 10R is a fantastic choice. But if you prioritize raw suction power, superior threshold climbing, and a more advanced AI-powered navigation system, the Dreame X50 Ultra is the better overall performer. Either way, you're getting a top-tier cleaning experience. Let us know in the comments which one you'd go for, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.